and to cooperate in national security issues.
Hacks our phones and laptop and steal our data. Then some hackers and terrorists can also hack and steal our information. So we cannot. So our privacy should keep secured, and also from everyone has its privacy.
Our privacy is more important than our privacy is important, but our national security is more important than our privacy. So we should follow the rules of national security which made by the central government, and also if we want to stay safe with their family, so we need to secure our national security from the terrorist attack. So the national security comes first.
Yes,
Yes,
you are right.
and
And
also
also
some hackers
every person has his own life, and every person has his personal life. And our constitution also says that according to Article 21, every person has his life and he has right to privacy. So we should not disclose our privacy to anyone.
Security is more important as compared to our privacy. So we should follow the rules which was made by our government, which is related to national security.
Guys, please don't make face marketing. Guys, please.
Everyone has not secured our nation. So we should come in front and cooperate with our government in terrorist-like issues.
Yes, through the WhatsApp and Facebook, some terrorists can hack our mobile phone, steal our data. So because of security purpose, government will keep eyes on our privacy. So the national security comes first.
And friends, as you know that everyone has his personal life, and according to the Indian Constitution, and everyone has right to privacy.
And also,
so,
my friend-
let me complete my point. So we do not want to disclose or share our privacy with others, and it may lead to many harmful problems for us. So we should not take any risk by sharing our privacy with others.
Yes, my friends, although our privacy is important, but national security is more important. So we should cooperate to our government, and some of the hackers hack our data through WhatsApp and Facebook. So our government should keep eyes on our such data, and we should cooperate our government to stay safe in the country.
Okay, my friends,
Everyone
everyone
has
has
personal our families. So we need to protect our nation first. So we should cooperate with our government.
Yes,
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 and
yes,
in our
yes.
history as well, we have many proofs that we did not have any kind of national security in our state, like Magadha and all. So every invaders could have invaded on our state easily. So at that time we did not have our privacy. Everyone could have entered in our privacy and molested us. So I think that if a nation is secure, then we have our secure privacy. If our privacy is secure, then our national security will not be secure.
Okay, my friend, everyone has privacy, everyone has personal life, and according to constitution, everyone has right to privacy. So we cannot share and disclose our privacy.
Yes, my friends,
although our privacy is important, but our national
Guys,
security-
please.
Yes, my friends, also our
Those guys who have still not participated, please guys, you have to take your stand yourself. Okay, I will not give individual time to anyone else.
Yes,
Yes,
dear
yes, my
friends.
friends, although our privacy is important, but our national security is more important. So we should follow the government security rules made by our government. If we want to stay safe with family, so we should need for protect our national security from terrorism activities. So national security comes first.
Yes, my
Yes,
friends,
dear
through
friends,
WhatsApp.
Yes, Mahesh, yeah, let him speak.
Yes, my friends, through WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter, some hackers hack our data and privacy. So our government should keep eyes on our privacy, and we should cooperate with them.
Yes, my friends, if a government hacks our phones and steal our information, so some hackers also hacks our phones and steal our own information. So we should not take any risk by sharing our privacy with others.
Okay,
Yes,
yes,
dear
our
friends,
privacy is
security
important, but
forces
our
cannot
national
secure
security is
our
more important than our individual privacy. And if we want to stay safe with our families and relatives, so we need to protect our nation first. So national security comes first.
Okay, my friends,